I'm going to start a yarn series. So today we're going to make a yarn bracelet and a yarn painting. That's not really made out of paint. So what you're going to need is a pair of scissors, 3 plastic straws, glue, scotch tape, and a piece of paper. It's not bound by glue, it's liquid. And different colors of yarn. So now we're going to do the yarn bracelet first, and I already prepared 3 strands of yarn. I think they're 1 meter. So we're going to take the straws. I already cut it in half. And next we're going to put the tape around it. So I'm going to tie a knot in the yarn. I'm going to use the hairpin to insert the string inside the straw. We're going to use the tape to secure this into the tape. And now we're going to start weaving. So I'm done weaving the bracelet. Now I'm going to take the straw and the tape off.
Quack, quack.
So here's the bracelet. Now I'm going to wear it. now we're going to do the yarn painting. So what you're going to need is a pair of scissors and different colors of yarn. Some glue, piece of paper, and a pencil. Let's get started! I'm almost done with it. I just need to cut out the excess and fill in those tiny little spaces. Hooray! It's done! Tell me what you think. Comment down below. Here you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you again next week for another DIY surprise. Bye! So first thing we're going to do your yarn.
Your yarn?
Hooray! It's done! Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think!